Hey guys, happy Wednesday. So I have a full day today, but I'm trying to make it the best of it. I'm here in Food Lion. As you can see, I'm doing my shopping to make my 3-bean chili for this week. So I'm looking at the beans now. So I'm looking. Oh, black beans. Black beans. Alright guys. I'm doing a real shopping this time. The first time I tried this, I only picked up 1 or 2 things. This time, I'm going to do a little bit more heavy shopping. Not too heavy, because I'm going to physical therapy, but a little more. So I'll keep you guys informed. So I finished one out. And I'm going down another aisle. All things is possible. If you just move slowly, you'll get to your destination. Okay. I want frozen vegetables. Okay. Here we go. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna have to sit down. Just twisted my neck. Even going slowly, this accident's gonna happen. So, I'm sitting down in the frozen aisle, stretching my knee, making sure. So, trying to shot with oxygen. And this mask on is trying, but by his grace I could do it. I'm glad I only did one workout today, because I gotta do this food shopping, then I gotta go physical therapy, and then I go to my other doctor's appointment, and then I gotta get blood work done. So I have a busy day. What kind of season is this? Oh, this is for, vegetable, gumbo. What's the ingredients? I always look for the ingredients when I get something. Smoked paprika, dehydrated. How much sodium? 65 milligrams. Sorry, you gotta stay right there. Now let's go for sister girl who has high blood pressure. That's why you gotta read the labels. It may look good. I mean, it says 0 calories, but nope. Got 65 grams of sodium. Okay, guys. I'll see you guys in a minute when I get to the frozen. I'm still stretching my legs. Don't want to have any injuries while I'm trying to, go out there and shop for myself. You know what I mean? Okay. All right. Actually, let me get up. I love my trusty rollator. And I was thinking about having tortillas with my chili. Make my own little fajita. Why are these shells so empty? Poultry. Nope. Potatoes. Think about putting potatoes in my thing. But they don't have what I want anyway, so I'm not doing that. Okay. We're in the vegetable aisle. Frozen veggies, spinach, See, they got my veggies. California blend. I'm gonna get 2 of those. I was hoping to have some kale. Let's see what they have over here. See, you have my California rice one, so that has kale in it. But I don't see it. Nope, they don't have it. Oh well. I guess I'll go with the California blend then. Okay, guys. So that's it for my shopping. I'm gonna go to the bread aisle, see if they have sweetening tortillas, because I want my meals to be fulfilling. So I want to do a little fajita. I'm not gonna do rice this time. Just trying things, shaking things up. Okay. Okay, guys. I made it 4 hours over, and now I'm debating because they have mission strips that will go well with my chili, or even the chips, or the actual tortilla. I'm thinking chips because it's less messy. They're both same price, 2 for $5. Either 2 for $5 down there, or 2 for $5. I think the chips will last me longer. Okay, so I'm back. I'm still indecisive. But guess what, guys? Look at this. This is the label for the tortilla. And you see it's 140 calories. Can you see that? Sodium is... I don't think you can see it. See that? 360 milligrams for 2 tortillas. Same amount of calories as the chips. And you get 12 chips, but only 90 milligrams of sodium. And you get 12. Now let me look at the carbs. The carbs here is 26 grams. The carbs here is 18 grams. So guess what? I'm going with chips, because the chips is more better for me. They're all made with sea salt, so not really a difference. So, see, this is why you have to read your labels, because it would throw you. You think you're doing better by being healthier, getting the smallest thing, but nope. Not in this case, you're not. So I'm gonna get 2 different kinds. Make sure the label's the same. And let's see, thin and crispy. Okay, even this one is better. 75 milligrams. Oh, that's 90 though, too. Oh, wait a minute. This one's better. Okay, let's see what about this one. Let's see what this says. Oh, this is 90. Okay, so we're going to stay away from that. And we'll just get these 2. 18 grams. Okay. See? This is why it's important to read your labels. they will throw you for a loop. And here I thought eating tortillas would be better. Nope, getting the chips. And I get to have 12 chips per serving. So that should be enough for me. Alright, I think I'm done. I got my beans, I got my tomato sauce, my tomato paste, I got my veggies, I got my corn. Whew. And I have all the seasoning at home. I just bought some nice seasoning from Spice and Tea Exchange and Hilton, South Carolina. It's very expensive, but it was worth it to spice up my food. Alright guys, so I'm off to physical therapy. Gonna stand in line for this. And then I'm done. Thank you for watching. Remember, stay encouraged, one step at a time. And you can do this, okay?